Hey guys, V-Blaze here. I'm back with my boyfriend Maleik. Say hi.
Oh, that's hi. What the heck?
No, say hi.
Whatever. Come on.
Say hi.
Well, finally we have the snack box that I ordered. It took like a month and a half to get it.
Yes, finally, it's here. I actually had to. What did I do? It was yesterday that I actually checked the tracking number.
Again, so what she means is she took my phone, went into my emails, and forwarded her the email.
Because he ordered it, so I had to go into his email and forward the email to myself so that I can track the package because it was taking forever to get here.
Which is what she's done multiple
because
times.
I just ordered another snack box yesterday.
That's too many already.
It's the Tokyo Treat snack subscription box, and I ordered it because I got an email telling me about this like limited edition Sakura Pocky.
So basically she wants to eat a treat.
It's limited edition because this is like it's Sakura season.
That is the worst thing with her. If she sees something that says limited edition, she wants to buy it.
I like limited edition, and I like Sakura flavored things.
So I told her we can just buy a treat and we can eat the treat.
We can't buy the treat. It's in Japan. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this box because it's like taking forever to get here, and I'm excited to see what's inside. Let's go open it together.
Meaning she's hungry.
I'm not that hungry, but we're gonna eat. Ooh, there's like, what is this? Socks? We're gonna see what is in here.
A snack box that gave socks. Wow.
Socks.
I want to see how it tastes.
So first thing besides the socks is this honey butter chip. The first thing that's here. We're gonna try everything together.
This is a cold brew coffee chew.
Ooh,
basically.
That's for me.
Yes, because I don't like coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker.
Cold brew latte. Wait, one at a time.
Excuse me, you already got like 3
We have
things.
to eat this.
No.
We have to try this first. You open it.
Okay.
I'll open the socks. We have to try everything together. This looks like a...
So it's honey butter. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like this more.
It smells really sweet. I can smell it from here.
I like honey.
It's a snack flavor on the socks. I like these. How's it taste?
It's very good.
It smells really sweet.
How does it taste? Okay, there you go.
It tastes sweet.
You taste honey when you first taste it. And then you taste the butter after it.
It has a little salty aftertaste.
That's the butter.
I don't like that.
Like I said, I would like these. Which I will.
You should try the coffee ones. You gotta try it. I'm gonna put these socks on.
No. So.
Okay.
So she picked that one. Yeah.
Chocolate.
Which is why I'm my boyfriend.
I like
So.
Shut up.
Monster Choco Balls. Or Choco Balls, excuse me. There's no S.
Choco ball.
I like chocolate, but again, since I have bad teeth, it hurts my teeth, so I don't eat chocolate as much anymore. It looks like cereal in a bag, basically. And that's will be for her. It's not bad. Yeah, well, it's like dark chocolate. I'm not a fan of dark chocolate. So it's basically dark chocolate balls. In a bag. So it should have been an S on it instead of the ball. Because it is balls.
I like this.
So, your turn to pick next up.
This is gonna be for you. What is this?
Oh, because it's almonds.
It has almonds on it. And sweet potato. It says latte. Kuma, it's like a potato latte. Sweet potato latte.
Okay, so it's a drink to make. It's weird. We're not gonna make it now. Because no. But it's something, excuse me, one at a time. So yeah, it's something that I will drink and not her because
it has
she
almonds.
is allergic to almonds. She's allergic to a lot. But now let's go to the next.
I think those are marshmallow bars.
Yeah. We have marshmallow
chocolate marshmallow pie.
pies, which again she's going to have. Not
She
because
doesn't like
they're
marshmallow.
chocolate, because yes, I do not.
There's
like
like a
marshmallows.
jelly in the
Marshmallows are
middle.
gross.
That looks weird. Look at that.
It looks like an egg, and the yolk is
I'll
just
try
like
one.
inside of it.
Let's see what this tastes. You should try it.
I'm not going
Don't
to.
be a baby.
I'm not going to. Wah, wah, wah.
You're so stupid.
Okay. So put that on your towel. It looks like a regular one of those
So far it tastes
chocolate marshmallow
normal.
cakes. You didn't get to the
Yeah, I think I took the
filling
middle yet.
inside.
Okay. You taste.
Oh, you're gonna.
I'm starting to
I'm not,
taste a
I'm
little.
not going
Oh,
to
pick
taste
something.
that. How about you finish with that? See if you get to the
It has,
inside
like,
and
a
see what
fruit.
happens.
Yeah, I tasted a little bit. It's like a fruit kind of filling, like a peach or something. Oh. It's alright. What's
Okay. Next. It looks like a sour candy.
No, that's like soda.
Soda. No, it's the shape of a soda, but it looks like the sour gummy worms, you know.
It's cola.
So it's their
it's
version.
cola flavored.
Which I
It
probably
says cola on it.
again, but what type of fruit does it look like? The sour gummy worms.
I want to try this.
Which
Is this gum or is it just a chew?
I don't really care for it because I don't drink soda anymore.
brew.
So let's open this all the way.
Caramel.
Excuse you. How about we do one thing at a time? Remember? I can smell it
try the
already.
first
It smells like I just opened a bottle of soda.
Try the first one.
It smells like I opened a bottle of soda. Alright, you can take one too. Well, they are good with
Is it
flavors.
sour?
No, it just tastes like a bottle of soda. They are good with making flavors, candy flavors taste like other flavors, because that's awesome.
Tastes like Pepsi.
Yeah. Or Coca-Cola, which they taste the same way.
No, they taste
They
different.
taste the same.
You don't drink soda, you don't know.
Oh, I used
It
to.
tastes like Pepsi.
My mom drinks the Pepsi.
It definitely tastes like Pepsi.
Whatever.
Not Coca-Cola.
Whatever she says. It does taste like soda.
My dad likes these.
Actually, I would eat those
Yeah.
because they don't have the little. I hate the acid in soda.
Carbon dioxide.
Like I said, the acid. Usually, and the last times I've drank soda was like a couple years ago. I've shaken it up and then got rid of all the acid that I drunk it. Last time I've drunk soda. It's been years though. Years. Only soda that I do drink is if I get sick, I drink ginger ale. But that's it.
I love ginger ale. That's my favorite soda. And root beer.
And root beer.
Okay, my
But
next.
yeah, she had never had a root beer float, which is awesome. Or
What
she
is
doesn't
it?
like root beer floats, but they're awesome
There's two of these thingies, whatever this is.
thingies.
There's a cow on it.
Okay. Mm.
It says milk, banana, something.
Which
Banana
she
milk.
doesn't like. She's not a fan of
I like banana milk.
She's not a fan of banana texture, actually.
But it's like banana flavored milk candy? I don't know.
So, it's like
The
a...
straw thing?
This, yeah.
Wait, do you
dispenser.
put it in the milk? Is it a... I think it's one of those straws that you dip in the milk and you
And you
drink
drink
it
from
like out of there.
And it mixes the
We would
flavor.
have to use
Yeah.
this with milk then.
Which we do have milk, but yeah.
We'll eat that later.
We might film the tea and things later.
We have a lot of these little candies here.
The EB! EB!
Are they
It
all the
says
same
no
thing?
stress on mine. So it says on yours. It says no stress.
Mine has Korean phrases.
Good, because you can read it more than I can.
건강이 친구.
Which means...
No, 최고. I don't know.
Excuse me. That's what happens when you drink soda.
항상 고마워.
고마워.
Something, thank you.
It's chalk candy. Is that like the chalky candy? I hate chalk candy.
And Kim.
But it doesn't have a chalky taste. It's a little more gum.
No, Kim. 집중. I don't know what these things. And
Okay.
this box is dented.
It's like a mixture between. How about you? It's like a mixture between chalk candy and Laffy Taffy.
The sticker. Alright, I'll try.
That's what that is.
It's like Christmas.
It's actually not bad though. Just put it in your mouth.
I don't like the texture.
Oh, it's like chopped candy, but when you chew it, it's like Laffy Taffy.
It's weird.
Oh, that's weird.
What's this? This is a lollipop.
She will keep that because I don't eat lollipops either.
I think it's a lollipop.
I stopped eating a lot of things a long time ago.
It's fun.
Now we have a...
Dented box.
I should give it to my niece because it looks like a Roblox candy.
It looks like Minecraft, Roblox, whatever.
Or Minecraft, either or.
It's not too bad as you keep chewing it, but the first...
And it says Sandbox Friends.
Oh.
So, you know, I grew up in a poor school, so we had a sandbox.
I guess this was a Christmas.
Because, you know, you don't want to lose the little black boy in the sand.
We have stickers in here.
Can you put them down?
No.
Are we doing the box?
Stickers.
So, it's a box for no reason. Because inside the box comes a bag. So, what do we have the box for? I don't know. Excuse you.
That's a booklet that's supposed to tell you
One
everything
at a
that's
time.
in here.
Too late. We got to the bottom of the box.
We're gonna read the booklet.
We're gonna read the booklet after.
Yeah.
Because we already did everything basically.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like if I just like pull really hard, there's just like everywhere.
These
Okay.
instructions are incredible.
They look like vanilla cookies. The vanilla wafers.
You have to convert
Yeah.
90 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit.
Okay, coffee.
Yeah, try the cookies.
They're good. They're fine. Again, they taste like vanilla wafers.
Not a fan.
That, you know, when you're making a banana pudding
I want to try this coffee thing.
and you put them
I'm gonna open it.
on top of it,
Let's see what this is.
that's what that tastes like.
Whatever. Okay.
Look at you. Of course. She spilled it everywhere.
It's okay. They're
Good
all
job.
wrapped. It's okay.
Good job.
We're
Good
all
job.
okay. We're all good. Let me just put these back in here. How about you go look at that booklet, see what it says?
How about you just eat one and put it back later?
Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Read the booklet.
We got crappy Christmas stickers.
I'll keep those stickers.
Of course she will. What it is we got a last,
I guess it was a Christmas
month box. So I got
Wow.
it's a December box, I guess.
Oh, right, yeah.
I don't know. So,
We have one.
it was on sale.
Sale.
Which is why I got this one. Excuse you.
I'm getting the new April box from Tokyo Treat.
Cheap, but yet she ain't got money to buy it, so it's okay.
Oh, this doesn't smell very good.
So this is the picture of the people, I guess, who make the boxes.
Yeah.
It's 5 of them, and they're all Asian, of course.
So the Snack Fever company originally started in like California, I think. And they would import snacks from Korea and then send it out. But then they just recently moved to Korea, so now they're all directly in Korea. So now they have more access to snacks in Korea. So now they send more snacks, but from Korea.
I think we're missing something.
It doesn't taste like coffee.
That's good.
It just tastes weird. I don't like this.
Yay!
Oh, don't like that.
So, I think there's something missing.
What?
There's supposed to be some milk yogurt.
Huh?
This. I don't see that. Unless it's these little things. Yep. Oh, yeah.
No, it shows you the mini box, original, and deluxe box.
No! I'm talking about this. Look.
No.
Jesus.
Read it.
Shh. They have them. Every one of them has it. That's what I'm saying. You just have a different number of them in each box. But I already know these are the small ones right here. They just make the size bigger.
Yeah, those are the mini ones.
The thing we don't have is the chocolate bar.
Well, that would have been good.
No, it wouldn't.
That would have been so good to have.
It just says Guyana.
The Ghana hazelnut chocolate bar. Ghana.
Guyana.
It says Ghana.
Guyana.
Can't you read?
Guyana.
It's Ghana.
How you spell Guyana?
With an I, I'm pretty sure.
You pretty
or
sure?
A Y.
I'm gonna call it Guyana.
So,
this Ghana
starting
sounds like
from
gonorrhea,
the honey,
so I'm pretty
it
sure
says the
doesn't
honey,
spell that way. It spells with an I.
honey butter chip maple. So honey butter with maple. That was the chips that we have. Then we have the choco pie chocolate chip cookie. It doesn't say what that fruit filling is inside. I think it's orange actually. There's a picture of an orange on that. Then there's the sweet Doraemon buttered talgona, which is this lollipop. It's a butter flavored lollipop. Oh gosh.
But she's not gonna like.
That's weird. And then the Jung sour candy sour Coke. So they're supposed to be sour, but they don't taste sour. The candy, the soda flavored.
Did I not say that?
They don't taste sour though.
It does.
Then there's the Maleik cow candy yogurt, which are these little thingies. And we should have gotten the Bulbasaur green tea latte. That's what we should have gotten, but instead we got this sweet potato latte thingy. We should have gotten a Bulbasaur green tea latte. That would have been so much better. I would have definitely drinking that.
Well, no, I would have drinking it because Bulbasaur's not mine. I love Pokemon though. Well, I used to.
And the Monster Choco Ball, which was my favorite so far. And then the Young Ding Dotty Egg Chips, which is the little kid flavored chips thingies over here.
I was gonna say we were gonna do what our favorite was, but good joke.
Yeah, my favorite was the Monster Choco Ball.
Oh, big ugly shit.
What was your favorite?
This one was my favorite.
The honey butter.
Mm-hmm.
Then the Orion Milk Caramel Dutch Latte Chews, which did not taste like coffee. They don't taste like coffee. They taste really weird. It's supposed to be milk caramel. Yeah, don't like those.
Which we'll try later.
And then the milk and funny straw banana flavors. So it says
which we'll try later.
To eat this properly, you must have it with milk. Insert the funny straw in a cup of milk, and the candies will naturally melt as you suck in the straw. So yeah, we'll have to try that with milk. And that's it. Everything else was a deluxe item. So there were wasabi flavored almonds, which he would have eaten. And
actually, I like wasabi.
Honey waffles.
And I like almonds.
Honey waffles would have been good. And
if you say so.
Look, they're like little waffle chips. Honey. And then mountain potato chip black pepper. He would have eaten that too. And yeah, that's everything that we have. Oh, there's in the back, there's actually like Korean words that you can learn. You see them here. So, brought to you by Egg Boon. Can this camera focus, please? So we have vitamin, which is vitamin. Doctor, which is, can you read that?
Yosa?
Lisa.
Yisa.
Lisa.
Yisa.
And patient, you learned those.
Aye.
Patient.
Hanja.
No.
Hanja.
Hwanja.
Hanja.
Hwanja.
I gotta write the second one. It's
cold.
Brr.
No. Not cold as in temperature. Cold as in sick. You have a cold.
Ganji. Ganji.
Kamgi.
Kamgi, that's the G.
The G makes a soft K sound. Kamgi.
Not in my language, but okay.
And the next one is to be wounded.
Ow.
Focus. Read it.
Who read that?
Dachida. Oh, the next one.
Yo.
Yor is fever.
Ooh,
Next one is what I had yesterday. Dutong, which is a headache. Dutong. And last one is sick, which is right here.
No, I can see it. I'm just not saying it.
Why? It's apada.
No. Well, I got distracted by this. People are taking pictures with their snack boxes. And I'm like, oh, whoa. Dude's wearing a BTS mask. That's so cool. BTS is awesome. You didn't see that, did you? I'll cut that out.
Who cares?
Who cares? Just man, you ain't got one yet. We're supposed to be getting a BTS box pretty soon.
We didn't order one yet.
Well, we didn't
We were
order
gonna
yet,
order.
but we're going to get one. And we're going to split them up because we both are part of the BTS army.
Mm-hmm.
And
I like these.
it'd be awesome to have BTS gear.
Yeah. So that's everything.
I feel like we're just recording us eating now.
That's called a mukbang.
Oh, we've never made one of those, so
We can make one of those.
I don't know. So people how fat we are.
Anyway, that's it for the video. Yeah, this was fun. Super excited to get that Tokyo treat box. So I can try that limited edition sakura flavored Pocky. That would be so amazing. Yeah.
What's funny is she can still see me do it, so even
Yeah, I can still see you in the camera anyway. I just uploaded a video on my main channel. So on my Sims channel, I did like a little overview for the new stuff pack that they just released. Is the My First Pet stuff. So they have like little rodents and stuff, hamsters, hedgehog, a rat, and like this little void critter animal called like a bulbulus or something like that. I don't know.
Bulbulus, the tormentor.
Bulbulus. So yeah, I just uploaded that. So check that out if you want to see my Sims videos.
And I just uploaded my first intro to the new segment I'm going to be doing called Spoiler Alert. It's going to be about the shows that I watch, and I'm sorry if I did cut you off.
No, it's okay.
It's going to be about the new shows that I watch and what I think about them, you know, like The Flash, The Arrow. And I think that I have a lot of interesting theories or things that I think about the shows. So I'm going to say them and see if any of you agree or disagree. And you can tell me how stupid my theories sound or how smart they sound or how I should just shut up. I would like to hear that too.
Sure you would.
Hearing a lot as it is.
Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna throw this away.
Yeah, we'll put the links
in
the descriptions for our channels, or
yeah, I'll put his channel, and my other channel is gonna be linked below as well. I'll link my other channel below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Also, try a Snack Fever box. It's pretty good, and you never know what you're gonna get.
They should pay us.
But yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and my main channel as well, and follow me on Twitter, and follow Maleik too. You need to make a Twitter.
Why do I have to use a Twitter?
Because you need to make a Twitter.
You don't need a Twitter. It's a tweet.
Also, I have a Twitch channel which I might be streaming on tonight, so follow me on Twitch. My channel is also below there.
If this is uploaded today.
Yeah, I'll probably upload this today. It won't take that long to edit.
I also Twitch.
Yeah, he also streams on Twitch as well. I'll put his channel below too.
She Twitches The Sims and Overwatch.
Well, I did one stream on Overwatch, which I deleted because it was so horrible.
Why?
It was so bad. It was my first stream, and it was
my first one was up
terrible.
there. It's horrible, and I still have it up there.
I deleted
you gotta see where you start.
I was ashamed.
Why?
So I only have like Sims on my Twitch right now.
Why?
But I'm gonna start doing more Overwatch, and he wants me to try playing Fortnite, so maybe I'll try to do that on Twitch so you guys can see how horrible I do.
I'm not a big fan of it, but
I don't know what the big deal
I think
about
she
it
might
is.
like it. It's a little cartoony for me.
I don't know.
But it's not that difficult to play. So
we'll see. Alright, this video is long enough. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Bye guys. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Let me love you.